So a bit of an update. So we're going to rebuild this motor. So I've just started stripping it down. We've organised with MOYALS in Bunbury. They're going to rebuild it for $7,250. So that's drop off, pick up as a long block. So I'll show you. Okay, so we've just started to strip the motor. Pretty much got all this side off. Just need to pull the exhaust manifold off. But I've got to get a blowtorch and heat them right up till we can attempt to take the nuts off. So then cracker on with this. Take all the intake manifold off, EGR cooler. Yeah. Put the motor back together. First start by throwing some brand new injectors in, and start buttoning it all up, ready to go back in the car.
Say
we've done a full intake manifold clean, cleaned it right out so there's no more gunk in there. The only other thing I did was I deleted the swirl flaps. They go on each of the round cylinders, round ports, because they're known for these little screws can come undone and then that's going into the engine. So best thing is to take them out, and so that's what we've done here. So we're all finished. It's ready to be bolted into the car. My phone went flat, so I just ended up smashing it out. Yeah, it's all back together. So yeah, just got to put the clutch on when I take it off the engine stand, and then ready to drop it back into the car. Sweet, but we'll do that another day.